Okie doke. Well, there's the bin primer out again. A few other bits and pieces. Tack cloths, important. That's what's going to be going on the woodwork. So I'll just take a quick look. As you can see, small area down here where the water's got to the M.D.F skirting board, seeped underneath the edge. Another patch there. Not too bad, a little bit lumpy. And another small patch here. So any mopping, any moisture that gets down here will get underneath the edge of the skirting board there. Being M.D.F, it will expand, soak up the moisture. I've got some 120 sandpaper there, so I can start sanding, and then finishing off I'll be using this mesh 240 grade, which will be on here. Stuck it on there. Okay, handy. Overall, this is the worst one. Little bits on the edges as well, but that's not too bad. That's flat. So this has got a bit of a lump on it. This will want sanding back, as all the others will, but this is the worst one. So pop me filling blade under there just to protect the tile a bit. And with the 120, just sand this back. So should go fairly easily. Oh, and that's not too bad actually. Take that dust away as well now. Yeah, so just keep going at it till it's smooth. I've already touched up this side. That's sanded ready. So tack cloth, I've vacuumed any dust. Just go over with a tack cloth, pre-paint cloth, just to remove any more dust. Okay, and then that blade will go back underneath there. And then dip of the primer. And straight on. Just let that soak in, do its thing. And I'll move on to the others, get those done. As soon as this is dry, sanding pad, one I made up. Sand it and tack cloth. Ready for painting. So I've got my large straight edge there. Just pop that underneath. And we can get this painted up. I've already cut in the top edge, just the flat to do. I'm going to roll this. And back on. Straight down to that there, and just lay off once we get that edge in. Okay. Quickly roll it on. And lay it off. Make sure you get down to the bottom because the roller won't get all the way down there. Okay. That's okay. not too bad. So that one didn't need filling. Neither did that one. I was okay with that one down there as well. If you did need to make a repair in the M.D.F, then this is a quick drying filler. Soon take care of that. No worries there. Oh, job done.